Hello everyone, I want to do a quick tutorial on creating the Learning Strategy Inventory. What you do is you click on Learning Strategy Inventory. This will load the glossary. Here you can create your terms by clicking Create Terms. Now, each of you has to do 5 terms for the glossary, and I did not want any doubles. So the best thing to do is when you pick your 5, just enter the term and save it. So you can go to the SIOP list and pick a term and then just enter it in. So I know I said no KWL, so I can do that one. And then just submit. Oh. Now you have to enter in something, so I just put coming just so I know that I'm going to enter it later. And if you add in all your terms, then people will know which ones have already been picked. I can then click on that term at a later date and hit edit. Here in the terms I can now edit my entry. If I look at the syllabus, it says I need an explicit definition of the strategy, a link to a professional journal article explaining it, a video of the strategy in use, an explanation of why the strategy would be useful, and links to additional resources. So I can click on KWL charts are an activity or a resource for activating and monitoring both prior and new knowledge. It stands for K. What do you know? W. What do you want to learn? And L. What did you learn? So there might be my explicit definition. Now I have to find a link to a journal article. So I'll go to next. I can go to Google Scholar. KWL chart literacy. And maybe, I looked at some of these articles and I like this one. So I can click on Cite, grab the APA link, and then realize it doesn't paste well. Oops. And then I'll just type in the citation. For time's sake, I'll just finish that. Then the syllabus asks you to add a video of the strategy use. So I can go to YouTube. Search for KWL chart. Find a video I like.
The KWL chart.
Click on share. Clicked on, so I clicked on embed. I'm copying the HTML code. I'm clicking over on Blackboard, clicking here on HTML. I'm going to paste in the code, hit update, and my video is now saved. Now it asks me to an explanation of why the strategy would be useful. Here you can get information about from the you could get information from your article that you picked, or just from your own. KWL charts are useful because we know activating prior knowledge is critical to comprehension. Also, the W column gives a purpose to reading. Dot, dot, dot. And you would just finish that off. Next, you then have to add additional links to any resources that you might find. So I can just type in the links. And then I can just go search for them. I would spend time kind of evaluating these links, but maybe the Read, Write, Think article would be good. I can just copy the link, paste it in, maybe you can activate the link if you so desire, or you can just add the link right there. Then you're done and just hit submit. And that's it. And then hit. So that's how you pretty much add in the glossary terms. All right, everybody.